Libra, this is your reading for the month of May. We are going to see your partner's energy towards you and what can you expect. This reading is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and not known. Let's see. Libra, this is the second time I'm doing your reading. I got a message that they want to trick you. So, this is just a warning. I felt the need to do another spread because that reading was very much similar to the reading I posted on my channel for 29th through 30th. So, you can check that out. Let's see. Libra, here I feel they have a lot of passion for you. This person thinks about you a lot. They want to take action towards you. They are feeling the urge to reach out to you. I'm also getting they want to have a new passionate start with you. Like they have a lot of passion for you. At this time, they feel you are feeling alone. Now, for some of you, I'm getting it's like you are fine, but you are not talking to much people. You are very closed off. It could be financial issues as well, and keep in mind this is completely their perspective, Libra. This is completely your partner's perspective. That's how they feel. They also feel you are a very fair person. You are doing good for yourself. You are balanced when it comes to your emotions, but still you are feeling little left out. You still feel that you should stay with yourself and you are not opening up much. Also, they feel that you are very guarded, especially when it comes to this person. You are very guarded. You have a wall around your heart. You don't want to get hurt again, and they feel you doubt them. You don't trust them. That's their perspective, Libra. They feel things are stagnant, you are not taking any action towards them. They still have a hope that you will take action towards them, but they feel you are not doing anything at this time. And yes, they want to interact with you. For some of you, I'm getting they are going to reach out, like they think about reaching out at your workplace and talk to you, because for some of you, I feel you guys are ignoring them completely. You have blocked them. They want to talk, Libra. They don't want you to ignore them. They want to talk, and they feel that you are leaving them out in the cold at this time, but they also feel you are alone. You are feeling alone at this time. This is completely their perspective. So it could be possible this person is very arrogant, that they feel that you are feeling alone without them. Other reason could be that you could be going through some financial issues, and keep in mind this is completely their perspective, like that's what they are thinking. So when it comes to their feelings, Libra, this person is having a lot of control. They also feel that they don't want to be vulnerable in front of you, but at this time you are very much in your vibe. You are not taking any action towards them, you're not chasing them, and instead you are ignoring them at this time. So they feel they have to bend down, they have to reach out to you, and they know that they should make a move towards you if they want you. But the thing is, they guard their feelings. This is someone who does not speak. Also, you could be feeling that at one time they act very lovey-dovey towards you, other times they act very cold towards you, and that's the vibe I'm getting here from this person. Like this is someone who guards their feelings. They want you, Libra. They want to win you back, but they think about you a lot. I'm also getting this could be a commitment phobic person or someone who does not want that emotional codependency in a relationship. They think about you, Libra. They think about you a lot and they fantasize about you. That's what I'm getting here. They want to have kids with you. For some of you, I'm getting, even if you are married to this person, this is someone who is very, I'm getting very controlling person, very egoistic person, but yes, they can be very responsible as well. But this is someone who wants to have that respect that I'm a man. That's the vibe I'm getting here from this person. Like a very dominant energy. Energies could be switched if you are a male watching this, but that's the vibe I'm getting here from your partner, Libra. If you have kids with this person, they could be very loving towards them, but I feel the feminine here is submissive. Or when you guys were in a relationship, this was your equation. I'm also getting that's what they think. This is completely their feelings for you, that they fantasize about this situation a lot. They don't say it, they are very obsessed with you. They are obsessed with the idea of being with you, having kids with you, and they want you. I'm also getting when it comes to their intentions towards you, they do not have good intentions for you, Libra. They could be juggling between two situations. It could be a third party situation for most of you, because I'm getting this person is toxic. They have a lot of dark energy around them. Also, they are very attracted towards you sexually. They want to have kids with you, Libra. And if you are not married to this person, they definitely want to have a family with you. But again, Libra, they want you to be submissive, especially if you are a feminine watching this. They want you to be loyal. but they have a lot of addictions. That's what I'm getting here. They could be hiding something from you. For someone specific, I'm getting this person is hiding from you about what exactly they do for work, because I feel they could be doing something illegal, or you're not going to like it when you will know it, because this is a very dark energy. I'm also getting they want to play mind games with Libra. They want to win you back and they are going to manipulate you for that. I'm also sensing arguments here. I'm also sensing ego clashes. So they want to make you wait for very some of you. I'm also getting this is someone who likes to make you jealous, who likes to play games, like very immature person and idiotic person. They want you, but they are doing stuff that will push you away. You cannot trust this person, Libra. They are actually going to play mind games with you. I'm sensing a lot of drama here, to be very honest, and they are feeling the competition with you. This is exactly someone who wants you to feel that you are competing for them. Like they are the one, people want them, you should compete for them. Like this is a bullshit. I don't think anyone would even want such a person, and I don't think they have options, like actual options with whom they can settle down. If they are married to someone else, if they have kids, they are very independent in that relationship as well. Like they are not very emotional towards their partner. That's what I'm getting here. So let's see. When it comes to their action towards you, they are going to reach out, Libra. But keep in mind, again, I'm getting a similar message here. This is a warning. They have the tendency to play mind games with you. They are going to show you that they were stuck in a marriage, but you are the chosen one now. If not marriage, they could be, they are going to show you that they were stuck in a certain situation and they are going to choose you now. Just take as it resonates, because I feel they were acting very stagnant, that they were not taking any action towards you, but they think about you a lot. They are going to let you know that they are going to choose you. But eventually, Libra, they are going to play mind games with you. They are going to manipulate you. This person is very selfish. This person is good for nothing. They are going to enjoy it. They are going to trick you. At least they will try to. This person is very cold and detached towards you. Very, I don't even have words. Very dark energy. Someone who wants to take revenge. And they are going to do this to have a new start with you. Yes, they are going to make you trust them again. At least they will try to, Libra. But the thing is, I definitely see a silence here. They are going to ghost you. They are going to be very silent on you out of their ego, out of their revenge. That's the vibe I'm getting here from this person. They are very pissed off. Here I feel they will give you attention to have a new start with you. They will make you believe that they want you, that they want to have another chance with you. Eventually, you are going to accept them back. If you're not going to accept them back, Libra, a part of you would get emotional for them again. So if you feel you are okay without this person, you are moving on, don't reply to this person when they are going to reach out, because you are going to be emotional. They are going to convince you. It would be better for you if you stay silent, if you stay distant, because we always can change the outcome of a reading, but you have to change your action for that. If you feel that this is not going to bother you, let me test this person, you are going to feel bad about it, because later you will realize that they tricked you or they hurt you again, because you will let this person hurt you again, Libra. So you can change the outcome by keeping a distance. If you still feel no, I want to see it for myself, then you can do it. But that's what I'm getting here. This person is not trustworthy at all. They do not have good intentions for you. Also, I'm not seeing any good action of this person towards you. And eventually I'm seeing a lot of waiting, and if you're a feminine watching this, you are going to be stuck to this person. You are going to wait for them, Libra. I would repeat, I know many of you are fine. You guys are moving on. Don't be overconfident. That's the only thing I want to say at this time, because they have the tendency to make you emotional. Even if you know that this person is wearing a mask, that they are very manipulative person, you cannot trust them, they are still going to do something. They are going to convince you. I don't know what they are going to do. I'm also getting they are trying to manifest you back. So could be possible, if your partner is into occult, they are going to use some technique, but you are going to talk to them. That's what I'm getting here. And you are going to hope that maybe they have actually changed or something, but you are going to be emotional for them. That's what I'm getting here. But overall, I feel a lot of waiting, delays here, and they have the tendency to hide stuff from you. Just don't trust this person, Libra. Have faith on the universe. You will be fine. And they feel that you are perfect, Libra, and you are very wise, but don't let them trick you again. That's what I'm getting here. A fairy climax approaches. They are going to approach you, believe in the possible. If you feel this is a very egoistic person, they are not going to approach you, they are not going to say any lovey dovey words towards you. No, they will. And don't let your past hold you back. If you feel they cannot hurt you anymore, I feel there is a chance. So it would be better if you stay away from this person. Let's get some messages from this person. At the bottom, we have I stalk you. I'm still confused, hurt, and restless over my decision to end this. This is why they are going to reach out. I need you. They need you physically as well, Libra. I need you twice. It hurts. Just seeing your pictures makes my groin wet. Now you know what hurts, Libra. You are the reason that I'm able to love someone again. You make me smile. They are going to say such stuff to get back with you. I need some time to get my shit together. And then they are going to ghost you after that. If this is a new person, they are wasting your time, Libra. Just let them go, and I can't trust you even if I want to. They are going to say that they cannot trust you, you have options, or you are very unstable, you are moody, blah blah blah. I don't think this is going anywhere. Yes, I do see a sex here for some of you, but then you are going to feel stuck, Libra. So it would be better if you stay away from this person. Ex, new person, doesn't matter. This person is a waste of time. That's what I'm getting here. So that's all I have for you. I really hope it helped, Libra. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.